So we are going to talk about law by MIA. So I know you guys were asking what is MIA, guys. So MIA stands for Institute Accountant. So it is regulate the under Accountants Act 1961 and pursuant to Section 10, subsection A of Accountant Act 1967. Parts over here. Number one is about bylaw of and professional ethics. So we are going. Second part is about bylaw of professional conduct and practices. Hi guys, now I'm with my friends. Say hello to the camera.
Hi.
So introduce yourself. So okay.
Hi, I'm Adriana.
Hi, my name is Ikin.
Hi, I'm Ain.
Hi, I'm Anis.
So I will be explaining to you guys about law by MIS. So are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Definitely you're ready because you know how to talk. Okay, see you later.
Hi everyone, I'm Ain. Today I want to talk about MIA by law, which is professional ethic based on code of ethics for professional accountant. Professional, which is, as you know, professional bodies have provide guidance, provide useful guidance to there are 5 principles stated by MIA by law, or this one: integrity, objectivity, professional competence and due care, and then confidentially, and then the last one is professional behavior that will be explained by my friend Ijoy. So the first principle, which is 110, integrity. Integrity means a good personality trait, which is an auditor must have. An auditor must be honest, sincere, straightforward, and truthfulness in doing their work. Because without this quality, there might be a possibility that the auditor, or not the auditor, but the management will try to hide their mistake with the information. You know, they're purposely doing that because they're afraid that the auditor or any other department will find a mistake in or false statement in the financial in the information. Okay, so the second principle is under code 120, which is objectivity. An auditor must be objective, which an auditor must present or report their work on information objectively, because it is to avoid any conflict, bias, unfairness during the process or any prejudice of other professional works. So the third principle under code 130 is professional competence and due care. An auditor must be up to date, means that the knowledge that they have must up to date, or their techniques, their standards that they are using, laws and regulation. Also, an auditor must be aware and learn about the CPE, which means continuing professional education, that would maintain their what we call professional competence. Yeah, the professional competence. And then the last one is 140 is confidentially. An auditor must, confidentially is the most important aspect of this ethic, because confidentially is the most important aspect of ethic, because an auditor must keep their must keep the informations of their clients.
Sorry, you cannot hear my voice.
Because I'm on the road, so I'm driving, and I'm going to explain you guys about section 150.1, which is professional behavior. So by the professional behavior, we know that we should be as professional as we can, and we should have a good behavior as we are an auditor. So an auditor should comply with law and regulations, and they should avoid any action that may discredit the reputation of profession. So information that are reasonable and informed to the third party, and the information is with the knowledge of the relevant information may affect their reputation. So
Again,
next is,
sorry,
section
you can't hear my
152, which
voice
is
very
business,
well.
marketing and promotion. So basically, as a professional accountant shall not bring their profession into disrepute and shall ensure that advertisement, promoting and marketing material is professionally identified in a good test and must accordance to the laws and regulation where it is applied. So for section 100.8, which is safeguard and threat. So threat can be created by a broad of relationship and circumstances where the relationship and circumstances is being created, and so professional accountants should evaluate any threat that complies with fundamental principle as professional accountants should know or could be expected to know relationship and circumstance may be compromised with the and compliance with the fundamental.
Hi, I'm Anis. I will explain about section 290, which is independence. Independence consists of two parts, which is independence of mind and independence of mind. Paragraph 290.9. It is the state of mind that expresses conclusion without being affected by influence with professional judgment. It allows an individual to act with integrity and observe. Now, independence of appearance, paragraph 290.9. It is the avoidance of fact or circumstances that is important that are reasonable and informed to the third party. It is having all information that would reasonably conclude a firm's integrity and objectivity that had been compromised. As we all know, professional judgment is ought to be free from financial, economic, and relationship. However, it is impossible for every society is not having relationship with the others. Therefore, the importance of economic, financial, and relationship should be evaluated in the light on what is reasonable, and if we inform to the third party all the firm's information, it will consider as unacceptable. Okay, the conclusion that on report the auditor must be professional judgment, which is ought to be free from financial, economic, and relationship with others, and which is relate to the section 174 duties of auditors, which is auditors must express an opinion. Furthermore, it allows an individual to
500 method of practice. So 500.1, a member in a public practice. A public practice is also known as accounting firm, which accountants provide services. So a member in a public practice should not use trade name or association name and names other than his legal name to practice the profession. So trade or association name is also known as business. Alright, tag 2, 500.2. So a member of a public practice are not allowed to practice as a chartered accountant or a licensed accountant other than using his own name. Number 2, the name of his or her partners. Number 3, the name of the firm that is about to come to operation, provided that the partners are in Malaysia and are eligible for registered as a chartered accountant and licensed. 500.3. A member of public practice, number 1, cannot use the name of the firm to be used in any organization to conduct business that is compatible to the public practice or bring bad reputation to the accountant. Number 2, the member, example, auditor can only express the opinion on the financial statement that has been examined by the staff in the firm only. They cannot express opinion that the financial statement has been examined by other staff. 6 says that a member in a public practice stated by law, subsection
1, a member can participate as a director or a shareholder in a limited or unlimited private company, stated that providing they are number 1, that member does not breach any rule. Number 2, the company is not in any way described as a chartered accountant or a licensed accountant company.
Hi, my name is Jin, and I will talk about the 240, that is audit fees. First of all, what is audit fees? Audit fees is when myself, I put in myself as an auditor. When you want to have my service, so I will
Need a charge.
I
Okay.
will
She, as an auditor, she need money because she did her job.
audit fees have a various part. So the first part is 240.4D. The 240.4D explain that who provide the audit fees. Who should provide the audit fees for me? That is 240.4D. The answer is second part of the audit fees is 240.4E. 240.4 is where fees are given without prior agreement, exceed by more than a reasonable amount. So, a quotation or estimate or indication of fees given by professional accountant in public practice. 240.4F is in this part, an auditor have a right to keep all the information, includes the book records of a client, or may refuse to pass all the information to the clients until those fees are paid. So that is the of 240, that is audit fees. So the second part of audit fees is a commission and referral. Commission and referral consists of 4 parts. That is, the first part is 240.5. That is a professional accountant in public practice will receive a referral fee or commission that is provide the specific service. What kind of service? What kind of service is that? So professional account did not provide the specific service as required. So a fee will be received for referring account in 240.5 said that a professional account in public practice will receive a referral fee or commission relating to a client. For example, is professional account did not provide the specific service as required, and a fee will be received for referring a continuing client. So that is 240.5 talk about. So the next part is 240.6 that state that a professional account in public practice will pay a referral fee to obtain a client. 240.7 or I think is not good right now.
Yeah.
So the 240.7 state that the significance of the threat will be evaluated and apply safeguard. So example of the safeguard is first one is disclosing to the client an arrangement to pay a referral fee to another professional accountant. That is the first example. Hi, this is the very last topic. Standard on auditing. International standard on auditing are professional standards for the performance of financial audit. It is issued by International Federal of Accountant, which is known as IFAC, through International Auditing and Assurance Standard Board. This standard on auditing is for building confidence for investors. That's all for me.
Yay! There's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy
And understand.
Yes, and understand what we are trying to explain to you guys. We are very sorry if we make any mistake or any information that not sufficient. We are human and we make mistakes. So anything else to say, guys?
I hope you enjoy watching our video.
And sorry for our English.
Yes. And sorry for our misbehavior. Still learning, and hopefully these videos can
help you
Help
guys.
you guys.
Bye.